Bangkok.
This is HSK9, Radio Thailand's World Service, broadcasting from the Public Relations Department in broadcasting from the Public Relations Department in Bangkok.
This is HSK9, Radio Thailand World Service, broadcasting from Bangkok for listeners in Asia and the Pacific, the Middle East and Africa, Europe and America. It is now time for our broadcast in English for listeners in Europe.
สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีครับ
And this is Radio Thailand News Hour. I'm ดวงรัตน์สุขสว่าง
And I'm Namo Pananupo.
Making the national headlines. Her Royal Highness Princess Mahachakri Sirinthorn opens a new building at Princess Sirinthorn's College in Nakhon Pathom Province. Meanwhile, the Prime Minister calls on all agencies to cooperate for the public interest and foster understanding of the government's policies.
Looking at the global scene, 37 bodies are recovered from the rubble of a Russian apartment building that partially collapsed after an apparent gas explosion.
On our business agenda, the government housing bank prepares to adjust the proportion of loans for its Million Homes campaign.
Our feature, Thailand in Perspective, today is on the topic security and safety measures stepped up in the Deep South.
We'll now take a look at those top headlines and many more in detail.
National News. Brought to you by Bangkok Airways, Asia's boutique airline. Now flying direct from Bangkok to Chiang Rai daily. Call 1771.
First up in today's national news, Her Royal Highness Princess Mahachakri Sirinthorn has presided over the opening of a new building at Princess Sirinthorn's College in Nakhon Pathom Province. Her Royal Highness shared the inauguration of the newly constructed Chalerm Pakiat building at Princess Sirinthorn's College in the provincial capital of Nakhon Pathom. The construction of the 3-story, 24-classroom building was funded by the Office of the Basic Education Commission in celebration of the 5th cycle anniversary of the princess, who has graciously given her permission for the school to engrave Her Royal Highness's emblem on the building sign. The princess took the opportunity to visit the school's exhibition to learn about ongoing educational activities and the students' talents in the field of innovative science, math, and technology. She also viewed the operations of a food project which aims to preserve dishes commonly known among members of the royal family. Founded in 1991 to celebrate Her Royal Highness's 34th birthday, Princess Sirinthorn's College is an especially large secondary school operating under the royal patronage of Princess Sirinthorn. The school now has 2,814 students and 192 educators.
Prime Minister General Prayut Chan-o-cha has asked all agencies to cooperate for the national interest and to foster understanding of the government's policies among the general public.